Now, officially. The antennae of, yeah, they bend, like so. A couple of Sennheiser batteries, which I don't know how long they'll last. Some instructions, specifications, the actual lapel in its casing. Now to me, that looks like a little handheld. Maybe the quality is even more like it. Battery pack receiver. It's like a 3.5mm as opposed to the Shure microphone we're replacing. Some different power adapters, which shows you it's a truly international brand. Okay. Just gonna push it in, and then this little thing keeps it from coming loose. Open. Hopefully these last. Hopefully, I wonder if they're rechargeable. Do not recharge. Okay. We will have to. Okay, now it's very nice. This cannot be unplugged. Unplugged. Cannot be shut off except from the inside where the power button is. So if someone wants to turn it off, as they do, because they don't want to be heard, and they don't trust the people in the booth because we're pranksters. Just in case you weren't tracking, we're not pranksters, but, you know, sometimes people, you know, they want to help us out. We have the little clippy here. I think I'm just going to slide it up. It's like a little mic stand. Look at that. Maybe this is useful when linking certain things together. The antennae will go here and there. They slide on and then they twist. They bend upwards and or outwards. Power brick doesn't have. That's where these little guys come in. I think the one with the holes in it. There's this one and there's this one. So we gotta. But I think I should read the instructions. That'll be my best bet. Okay, well, that's that. On to the next step.